Campbell! Stay there, wait for your sister. Call your sister.
Campbell Joy, come on, let's go.
Wait till she gets it. Don't take that last step.
Wait for Campbell. Here she is.
Any words before you go on your Easter egg hunt?
I'm gonna have a great time.
There she comes. Any words before you go on your last Easter egg hunt? On your Easter egg hunt?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Okay. Any words before you go on your Easter egg hunt? Any words?
What did you say?
Any words?
Mom,
Good enough.
This is a new one, so Addison could use it.
Oh, and Addison can't have any of these. Wow. Campbell, look over there. No, just collect right now.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at this, people. That is what you see? Is that what you see every morning?
Wow.
No.
Campbell, look at this.
Campbell.
Look at it, look at it. I dropped my Easter basket, yeah.
Oh my. After, do your hunt first and then you can have one more.
Oh no, look at Easter basket. Dropped us.
Honey, those are from your old basket. We dumped those out yesterday before going to the club.
Whoa. We can eat one, Campbell.
Who's going to break the heart up?
Fill your baskets. Oh, you're into your basket.
Nugger? Did you get some chocolate?
Oh, big sister's looking after you. You got your little chickie. Come on.
Anybody want some water from the fridge?
Why?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, anybody want to do some cooking?
Anybody want to turn the stove on?
Campbell, you gotta fill your basket, honey. Did you? Oh, you guys have cleared the heart out. Campbell, look on your stove.
Look.
There you go. Oh my gosh, Hannah Bear.
Doing my job.
Hey, Campbell. Dishwasher.
Oh, it broke in half.
Dishwasher.
What?
The dishwasher. Look at the dishwasher.
What is it?
Looks pretty big to me.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is this?
It says Butterfinger on it.
Whoa.
I love those.
That was Bart Simpson. Why are you picking up the pencils and erasers, Hannah?
I picked up 2 of them. So if Santa comes over, I can sharpen them and I can use these 2 pencils.
Perfect.
What are these things? I know, I saw it.
What are they doing, Addison? What are they doing? What do you see? Are you saying hello?
Hey, where's Addison's Easter basket?
Aw, Hannah, thank you. That's really sweet.
That's what sisters do.
Whoa, that was quite the scoop. Hannah, you've got it
For
down to
Addison?
you've got
Addison
it
can
down,
have some pencils because we both have some.
you've got it down to a science.